Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is LexzaiVlogs, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a video using photos and how to add transitions using the video editor MOVAVI. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Let's begin the work for today. Now, to make to make a video, you click on to add photos. You click on Add Files. Choose the destination folder, then you select the images, then click on Open. So as you can see, I've added the photos to the MOVAVI editor, but this thing is not really showing, so I had to have a transition. So you are going to add a transition to the video, so you drag and drop. Okay, so there are so many transitions you can use, but just in order I'm just only using this as an example. So you can use more transitions, you can use the ones you like, you can use it so this is just a pre now the transitions will now start working. Okay, so after doing this, wow, so after doing this, um you can also add text, which is the intro video, which will tell people this is what you want to do. So there are so many titles, but I'm selecting one for it. So you drag and drop again, then you can just name it like let's say LexzaiVlogs, Lexzai Photos. Let's do it that way. So Lexzai Photos. Okay. And so you drag, the thing is too big, so you drag, then you remove the s. Sorry, don't mind me for the spellings. So after these, so click on play. So welcome, this is Lexzai Photos. So the transitions and everything will be there. Okay, now the video will be nothing without the music, so sound. So there are so many, you can add your own songs, but in order not to waste time, I'm going to use the MOVAVI already music. So so you drag, you make it according, you do the things accordingly. So music is added already. So music will be playing underneath. Now your okay. So after doing this, it seems our video is ready. Now we are going to export. So there are so many dimensions in which you can sorry there are so many dimensions in which you can use to export, so you can just rename Lexzai Photos in order for you to know where in order to know the names or the name of the video. There are so many, you can do this thing in so many dimensions. We have the You can upload online straight. You can for TV, for Apple devices, for Android devices, for other devices. So you are just going to save as video, and there are so many resolutions. Sorry, there are so many resolutions in which you can use. So you choose any one you like. But for today, we are going to use 16 by 9 resolution. Alright. So you export. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.